Ciao to everyone!
Hello to everybody!
Today we dedicated this video recipe to the meat and we are going to prepare the polpettone alla Fiorentina.
A very traditional recipe, meatloaf, that we're going to prepare for all family. We're going to prepare our meatloaf, polpettone. So here we have the stale bread that we are going to soak, then we have our mortadella bologna, minced meat, parmesan, peeled tomatoes, our egg, parsley, white wine, and then of course extra virgin olive oil for our farm, salt and pepper. Let's go! So now we are cutting the crust of the bread and we soak the bread for 5 minutes with water. After 5 minutes we soak the bread, we squeeze, take out all the water and we put here ready to put in our recipe. Now we start to prepare our recipe for the meatloaf. We have all the ingredients ready. So we just need to add and to cut these pieces our bologna, okay, small pieces. Then we are going to mix with our minced meat, okay, Hopla. And then we starting to add our ingredients, starting from the stale bread, our parsley, 2 tablespoons of parmesan, and our 2 full eggs. You mix it well. Now we are going to add the salt and pepper, and then we are going to form the polpettone. We are going to mix our ingredients for the meatloaf, and then we are going to shape our meatloaf. I add also some nutmeg that give a nice smell, and we continue to mix. Almost ready. Our meatloaf is ready with our minced meat. Now we are going to shape, but before I want to put some flour here and grated bread. And now we are going to make the shape and to roll into this. We start to cook our polpettone meatloaf. We add some oil, something like 8 tablespoons of oil. I already warm up our pan, and now I'm ready to put my polpettone. We are going to create a crust in both parts. Now it's time to turn. Okay, you see, we create the crust. Now it's time to add the wine, white wine. The wine will evaporate. Meanwhile, we season the oil, the tomato, sorry, with olive oil, salt, and pepper. And then we are going to add our tomato. Okay, we add already our tomatoes. Now it's time to slow down the fire and cooking for 30 minutes. And we put also lid. Okay, our meatloaf, Fiorentina style, is ready. You see, the sauce is very thick, and now we are going to serve.